Man, it is hot today. It's hot today in Texas, man. Whew. Beginning of June, and what do we have here? 1977 Ford LTD 4-door. This one just made it into the yard. She looks pretty straight too. 4-door, obviously. I like the blacked out with the tinted windows. I like that. Yes. Makes the car look hard. Makes it look mean. But she's here for a reason, and not because she was wrecked. You can probably tell by that windshield. Look at that. Straight car. Yeah, right here. That's a fire. Yeah. A fire did this car in, man. So them on there. Otherwise, a pretty straight car. Yeah, look at that. Let's take a look up. See the last on the road, 2003, right around that time. Yep. There's a VIN on it. That front windshield looks nice. Oh, I got a little crack I see on that grill. This little piece right there. Bezels look all right though, except they took one of these deals here off. Hood ornament. Well, it's not really on the hood anymore, but cracked right here. Bumper. Straight. Yeah. Oh. And under the hood, we have the remains of a, what's this? It's 351. I can't remember if the Cleveland's went up to this. I know Cleveland stopped at a certain year. I can't remember when though. But yeah, it's Windsor. Look at all that. Wonder what happened. Probably fuel line, right? I'd venture to say that. Yeah. Outside of that, man, this car could have still been running. Come on. Man, these hinges are freaking toast, man. You know what? Screw that. Let it stay up. Let it stay up. Take a look in the trunk here. Apologize if my video starts to get shaky, man. I thought I had this figured out with the image stabilization on this phone. Evidently not. It's software related and it's screwed up. Gotta get another phone. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go GoPro this time. Try that new Hero 7 Black. Not there. What's that? Sony. Oh, per gap in your spark plugs. Yeah, nothing else here. Nope. Nope. Well, the trunk would have been good. Deck lift, that wouldn't have been damaged. Tail lights are usable. Spec panel looks okay. But that D is taken off. Yeah. Look underneath. underneath real quick. I saw a dual exhaust on it. I haven't got the keys for it. Obviously. Yeah, it's got duals, man. Yeah, there's a little rust right there. I can see a little bit there. That's damage from the yard. She got glass packs, cherry bombs. Oh, I see some more rust over there. Yeah, yeah. Still, overall, not too bad underneath. You know, a lot worse. Real quick. See, she was originally red or some type of red. Not that bad. At least not this. Yeah. She got the set of hubcaps. Looks like the sun got to it there. Headliner is non-existent except for the rods. Door panel looks okay except for the bottom. I think they had some kind of cover on this one. Yeah, like this, like the pattern on that. It's cool. There it is. Date 11 of 76. Yeah. Workout belt. Valleys. Those keys aren't it for that car, for this car. Learn Arabic. There's the damage. Oh, she had an 8-track. I don't know if that's original. I don't think that's original though. That mileage on there. Yeah. We're looking at the glove compartment real quick. Close that one done. The sun's getting freaking sweat in my eye. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, what they like listening to. Leanne Rhymes, Willie Nelson, Isley Brothers, Exit Wounds. Nothing. That's it, man. Yep. Door panel. Top part's decent. Down here it's all more best shape. Got some oil can going up here. Oh, it's freaking hot. That's it, man. Another old 70s land yacht bites the dust. This time it's a Ford. Alright, man. On to the next one.